With the Ambient Air Package, the interior air of your BMW can be cleaned and subtly perfumed with high-quality scent. The ionizer cleans the interior air by removing suspended particles. Together with the selected scent, ionization contributes to well-being and relaxation during the journey. By going to Car, Settings, Climate Comfort, and the Fragrance menu, you can select between 2 scents and 3 intensity levels. The illustrations show the current fill level of the center cartridges. Make sure the ventilation outlets are open to allow the fragrance to enter the passenger compartment. Perfuming is carried out at intervals to avoid a habituation effect. Please watch our other how-to video where we show you how to exchange the fragrance cartridges. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.